Look at the question number 10. In an arithmetic progression, if an is equal to 2n plus 1, then the common difference of the progression is. So here the formula for the nth term is given as an is equal to 2n plus 1. So to find the first term, a1, substitute n is equal to 1. So a1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So to find the second term. So ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು a1 a2 ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ a2 term substitute n is equal to 2. So 2n plus 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 into n is 2 plus 1. So 4 plus 1. This is equal to 5. So a2 5, a1 3 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ d is equal to a2 minus a1. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? In an arithmetic progression, the difference between any two consecutive terms. So a2 minus a1. So 5 minus 3. So this is equal to 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore, the common difference of the progression is 2. So C is the correct option.